Egg check. Egg check. Of course, I didn't bring a basket. Okay, because I'm using my shirt. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 4. I like it. What we got? 5, 6. Ooh, 7, 8. Okay, what we got? Any more? I know, they just keep coming. 8, good. You're feisty. You're gonna get me, aren't you? Mm-hmm. There's 9. Or did I do 9? I can't remember. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right. We're gonna go check our fridge. Buy some chicken feed. Ugh. One of these days, there's gonna be one in here. I'm getting impatient. Oh, heck. Who am I kidding? I'm already impatient. Okay. Thank you, ladies. I know. You guys are almost big enough to come out and join the people. Them little old lady can exist in peace. Oh, yeah. Gotta fix my camera. There. Yeah, I tried to check on you and I couldn't see anything. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All right, we'll see you later. Toodles.